Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to insert signature on Microsoft Word. First you need to draw a signature on a paper with marker or bold pen. Take a photo from signature and send it on your laptop. Open Microsoft Word, come to insert picture, this device, insert your signature on Microsoft Word. My signature is on desktop. Find your signature, then select signature, insert. Here crop your signature, fix it, remove the space, hit enter. After that, if you want, you can change the color. You can select any color you want. After that, remove the background. Now the background of this signature is white, but you need to remove it. Come to remove background, then keep change. In this step you can change the size of signature any size you want. Then come to insert signature line, click here on Microsoft Office signature line, write one name here. Here write the title. Okay, you can move it anywhere you want. First I want to cut this signature and paste the next page. Here I need to put this box in the end of paper. Here it is okay. If you have text here, let's copy and paste some text. Here I have just a little code. Okay, I want to paste these features. In the end, here you need to add your signature, for example. Okay, in this step, right click on the signature, select forward text or behind, anyone you want. I want to select forward, then fix your signature here. Okay, now if you save it as PDF, you can do it. Save as desktop PDF. Okay, let's open desktop. It is available here. Signature is here. Come back to Microsoft Word. If you want to save your signature, click on signature in this box. Come to quick parts. Here save selection to quick part gallery. Write one name, any name you want. IT. Okay. The next time if you come here, signature is available. You can insert it anywhere you want. Guys, I hope you enjoyed from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.